Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable clipboard history in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, plus I to open Settings. From there, go to System and click on Clipboard. Now you can toggle the clipboard history on or off. To view your clipboard history and paste from it, press the Windows key plus V, where you can also pin items. You can also toggle the clipboard history across your devices on or off if you are signed in with a Microsoft account, and choose to automatically sync text you copy or manually sync it. Additionally, you can clear clipboard data by clicking on the Clear button. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.